Marissa has covered herself with a blanket and Jonathan's gonna throw bird food on her that way the birds can get her.
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
Here it comes.
Do it! Do it!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. The wind blows it away. 1, 2, 3.
Do it in front of her.
1, 2. Don't move, don't move.
You know how funny this looks?
Oh god, he's touching me.
They're next to you. They don't want to go on top of you. Up here, you stupid asses.
Oh, it's on top of you.
It's going on top of you.
Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. No more.
Oh no, there's two on top of you.
Oh my god, get him off.
They're all on top of you now.
You won't get off me.
No, no. You scared them.
I don't want to play this game anymore. Get me out. Oh god.
There's like 5 of them on you.
Get off.